song. At 58 years young, she is the oldest of our elephants. She is the leader of the herd, and also the biggest. She keeps everyone else in line. This is a natural part of breeding behavior. From front to back, Assad, Tonka, Luna, Zio, and Mabel! Hey Ryan, how many hours a night does an elephant sleep?
They average about 6 hours of sleep every night. What a lot of people don't realize is they're up and down throughout the night changing sides and eating.
Oh, well how does an elephant sleep?
They can't nap throughout the day standing up, but their deep sleep happens just like this, lying down.
How long have you been working with the elephants?
I've been here on the show working with the elephants for 11 years. However, Terry's been working with elephants his entire life. As a matter of fact, his father taught him how to care for elephants and other exotic animals. He was always a cool kid growing up in school because he had elephants and tigers.
That's awesome. Do you guys want to see something really cool? Okay, on the count of 3, we are going to say, wake up, elephants. 1, 2, 3, wake up, elephants! Time to hit the playground. Looks like these elephants want to help with the jump rope. Now notice how they're spinning the ropes with their trunks. Elephants actually have 40,000 muscles in their trunks alone, whereas humans have 365 muscles in total. Way to go! Kicking the beach balls are Mabel and Luna. Luna has the lighter colored trunk. She's spirited and playful. Hey Luna, can you kick another field goal for us? Oh, let's go! Hey Ryan, do elephants have a favorite food?
Well, they're not on a gluten-free diet because just like all of us, they love bread.
Do you think we might be able to give them a snack?
We sure can.
Oh, an entire loaf of bread in one bite! Hey Ryan, what's the tool you're using with the elephants?
This is called a guide or a bullhook, and it's a tool that's been used in the caring of domesticated Asian elephants for hundreds of years. As you guys can see, it's about the length of my arm and the thickness of my finger. Now, elephants are extremely intelligent creatures, and I'd say ours here on the show respond to verbal commands about 80% of the time. However, you will notice throughout this display that Terry and I will sometimes use our guides to reinforce our verbal commands through touch and to direct the elephant's movements. Oops, good girl, Luna, pick it up. Trot. All right, thank you. All right, here we go.
Elephants use their trunks just like we use our hands. They can pick up something as small as a penny